Hey guys, welcome back to Bakewithbanusamee. Today we are going to make mango ice cream. It's so rich, silky and with intense mango flavor. Let's get started. Before starting, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Do check out the full written recipe in description box below. First we need to make a mango puree. For that I took 2 large mangoes. Try to use a good quality mangoes like Alfonso or Kesar and add 100 grams sugar to that. I added the sugar when blending the mangoes. Don't forget to add the sugar. Our mango puree is ready. To that add 400 grams of condensed milk and mix well and gently fold it. Before start beating the cream, keep the bowl in freezer for about 1 hour. Make sure your bowl and cream should be very cold. Add the cream and start beating at low speed for about 3 minutes and increase the speed to high for 3 minutes. This is what my cream looks like after 5 minutes of beating. Then start beat again at high speed for 3 minutes or until you get a stiff peaks. For me it took 10 minutes to get the stiff peaks. Our cream is ready now. To that add our mango mixture and gently fold it. Gently fold the cream. If you want, you can add yellow color. If your ice cream is too light, for me it's just perfect. I didn't add any color. Look at this. Our ice cream is ready now. Transfer into a clean bowl. Cling wrap it and freeze for about 4 to 5 hours. I kept it overnight. Before scooping, let it thaw for about 10 minutes. Now let's scoop and serve. Look at this. It's so creamy, so silky and intense mango flavor. Do try it out. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.